How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this little cracker, Kawasaki Z1000SX 2014 on a 64 plate. It's done 19,076 miles. Comes with full service history, and it's had a small fortune spent on it. Come to all the extras in a second. These do come with adjustable traction control and ABS. You've got two power modes, F and L, and also this little Bobby Dazzler. Ooh, funky little adjustable screen on it. So the last owner has fit some Oxford heated grips, a gear indicator, he's put some LED lights on the front of it, braided lines on the front of it. It's got a full Ixil exhaust. It's a 4-into-1, so it's only on that one side there. It's not meant to be used with the panniers, but we can buy a full system for it if you like to, a full standard system, and fit it if you like, so if you want to go touring. But it's got some spotlights on it. It's got a little fender on the back and some custom seats. So let's give it a quick start up. It does sound well with that full system on. And there she is. She sounds fantastic. So if you want to pop yourself down at Jordanbikes, or give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.